Hey, welcome back to my channel, Business is Money 26. Thank you everyone for showing up for this brand new content, and I'll be making more videos in the future. So yeah, this channel is about earning and building income for future online entrepreneurs. Let's go! Jennifer Tamio is a big movie fan. She loves spending her time on Netflix and YouTube, watching movies, and learning about her favorite celebrities. She was particularly fond of Will Smith, Martin Lawrence, Halle Berry, and Tom Hanks, just to name a few. Jennifer was always looking for ways to make some extra money online, and one day, she stumbled upon the idea of starting a blog. Jennifer had always been interested in writing, and she knew that starting a blog could be a great way to share her thoughts and ideas with the world. She also knew that there was a lot of money to be made in the world of blogging, and she was excited to learn more about how to make money online with a blog. Jennifer spent hours researching the world of blogging, reading articles, and watching videos on YouTube. She learned about the different types of blogs, the best platforms to use, and the different ways to monetize a blog. She was amazed at how much information was out there, and she felt inspired to start her own blog. Jennifer decided to focus her blog on her passion for movies and celebrity news. He spent hours writing articles and creating content, and she was thrilled when she finally launched her blog. She called it Movie Stars and More, and she was excited to see where it would take her. At first, Jennifer's blog didn't get a lot of traffic. She was frustrated, but she didn't give up. She continued to write and create content, and she started to promote her blog on social media. She also reached out to other bloggers in her niche, and she started to build relationships with them. As her blog started to grow, Jennifer began to explore different ways to monetize it. She knew that there were many different ways to make money online with a blog, and she was determined to find the best ones for her. One of the first ways Jennifer monetized her blog was through affiliate marketing. She signed up for affiliate programs with companies that sold movie-related products, and she started to promote those products on her blog. Every time someone clicked on one of her affiliate links and made a purchase, Jennifer earned a commission. Jennifer also started to sell advertising space on her blog. She reached out to companies that were interested in advertising to her audience, and she started to charge them for banner ads and sponsored posts. This was a great way for Jennifer to earn some extra money, and it also helped to grow her blog's audience. As Jennifer's blog continued to grow, she started to explore other ways to monetize it. She created digital products, such as ebooks and courses, and she started to sell them on her blog. She also started to offer coaching and consulting services to other bloggers who wanted to learn how to make money online. Jennifer was amazed at how much money she was able to make with her blog. She had started it as a hobby, but it had turned into a profitable business. She loved being able to work from home, and she loved being able to share her passion for movies with others. Jennifer's success had not gone unnoticed, and she started to receive invitations to speak at blogging conferences and events. She was thrilled to be able to share her knowledge and experience with others, and she was even more thrilled to be able to meet other bloggers who shared her passion. Jennifer's blog had become a huge success, and she was now earning more money than she ever thought possible. She was able to quit her day job as a store clerk and focus on her blog full-time, and she was grateful for the freedom and flexibility that it gave her. Jennifer had learned a lot about how to make money online with a blog, and she was happy to share her knowledge with others. She started to create YouTube videos, sharing tips and advice on how to start and grow a successful blog. Her videos were a hit, and she quickly gained a following of people who were eager to learn from her. Jennifer's journey had been a long and challenging one, but it had been worth it. She had found a way to turn her passion for movies into a profitable business, and she was grateful for the opportunities that it had given her. She knew that there were many others out there who were looking for a way to make money online, and she was happy to be able to help them on their journey. In conclusion, Jennifer Tamio's story is inspiring. She was able to turn her passion for movies into a profitable business, and she was able to help others along the way. Her journey was not an easy one, but she never gave up. She continued to work hard and learn, and she was able to achieve her dreams. If you're looking for a way to make money online, Jennifer's story is proof that it can be done. Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the content in this video that provides information for you to learn about online business. I appreciate that very much. So again, if you like, just hit the like button and subscribe. This is Business is Money 26. The one is out. Let's go.